do a clap this time.
1, 2, 3.
Take a seat. Oh yeah. Good to see you.
Is it supposed to still be recording?
Yeah, we're recording. Yeah. All right. So why don't you guys go ahead and take out the laces? You got it. There's no race.
I'm guessing you know how to put on laces.
You can do one at a time too. Sometimes it's easier. Just fish it all the way back through.
I'm guessing you know how to put on the laces again.
I thought you did.
No.
You don't know how? Oh man, I guess you're gonna have to go shoelaceless. So keep going all the way out. Good job, dudes. There you go. Keep going all the way. You can do one at a time too. Just one side at a time if you want, if it's easier. Both.
Both
Look at AJ go.
Kind of easy.
Yep, you got it. It's not a race. There you go. Good job, dude. All right, why don't you start with the soft bristle brush? Here, first we got to squirt 2. Lily, you want to squirt 2 squirts in there?
What?
Of the
Oh.
advanced sneaker solution. Just, you can twist off the top or pop it off and give it a little squirt. A little one. There you go. There you go. All right, AJ, you want to grab the soft bristle brush? And then dunk it in there a couple times. Doop, doop, doop. And then shake it. Now start scrubbing the top. Get it nice and sudsy. Keep scrubbing, like you're brushing your teeth.
Could I do the sides?
You can do it harder. Get in there. Use your elbow grease. Yeah, use your muscle. Use your muscle. You can start on the bottom if you want. So dunk it a couple times.
Brush?
Whatever one you want. The hard bristle brush is going to do a real vigorous job, where this will do a pretty good job too. Yep, you're doing good. And you can even use it, hold it in the direction so that's parallel. There you go. Good job. And then just kind of scrub it like you're brushing your teeth. Circular. There you go, dude. You can dunk it a couple more times. Get it nice and frothy, like you're washing your hands. So if you see the suds, you're doing a good job. There you go. There's some suds. Yep, keep scrubbing. Yep. Don't forget the tongue. Don't forget this. There you go. I'll hold it while you scrub it. There you go. You can dunk it a couple times too. Dunk it another time. Dunk it in there. Dunk it in there. There you go. It's okay. Charlie's in here too. She can get a bath. I did it with the soft bristle brush. What you think, Charlie? She's not moving by your side. Look at that. Yeah. So.
Can you get the bottom?
Yeah. Grab that brush and then start hitting the bottom with it.
Oh.
And then you can grab the soft bristle brush and hit the top if you want now. If you feel confident about the sides. And you can really get in there too. Just, you know, like with this brush here, just kind of see what I'm doing, AJ? In small little circles like that. And that'll get it really good. Look at that. This is the first video I'm doing in here, guys.
Oh, okay. Your first video in here?
Yeah, I'm
Can I
fun.
have the soft brush?
You certainly can.
Thank you.
And then when you start to clean it off, you can grab one of these rags here and just start wiping it. And just kind of get it nice and dry.
This is pretty good?
I'd say that's pretty good, yeah, man.
No,
Maybe a little bit right in here. Maybe dunk it a couple times. There you go. And then just like you're brushing your teeth, small little circles right in here. Right there, small little circles. Watch out for your sister. Whoa. You want to start wiping it down?
Yeah.
There you go. And there's a rag over there for you too, Lily. That one right there.
Wow. Will this be wet when you're done?
We'll let it dry, yeah. Let you walk around in your flip-flops. Get it right in there, dry that off. Good job, dude. Good job, Lily. And you can even get this like area right here too on the top. See where it's kind of dirty from his ankle?
Okay,
You
good.
can get in there.
Missed a couple spots.
It's okay. Look at how much cleaner they look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, guys. There you go. That's yours. What do you think?
That's good.
Was it easy?
Yeah.
Not too bad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to help me lace it up again?
Sure.
Cool. Here's your lace. Lily, you want to grab yours?
Where
It's
is
over there
it?
by the camera.
Oh.
So we'll start at the bottom and we'll fish it through there one by one. You see it go through that bottom one there? Just up. And can you put it through that bottom one there? And go up.
The last time I took off my
Just one at a
laces,
time.
it didn't work out
It's
well.
okay. I can
Like,
make
it was like,
There you go, Lily.
so
There
these
you go,
parts
AJ.
were broken, so I couldn't
that
put
makes
it on.
really hard, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta watch out. I hate when it does that. Oh man. Okay, now you're doing
And then
good.
you cross it.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Okay.
So pull the tongue nice and clean there. Oh, there you go. Good job, dude. Lily's got it too. Yep, you're crossing. Good job. Oh wait, baby. Here, let that one. Let me see. You can do. That's one way to do it. That's kind of like what I do when I do a bar lace. So this one we got backwards on.
Okay.
So we'll actually go from the bottom up instead of from the top. We'll go from the
You go
bottom.
diagonal the whole time.
I think you're doing it right, yeah, man. So we'll make sure these are even first. Sometimes that helps me. Oh, bless you. Give me on you. Here, wait a second. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I like to do one side first. So we got this one. This one's supposed to go into that one. And then, here, I'll show you. It's easier when we start from the bottom up. So we'll go to that one there. There you go. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think that's right. And then, if you want to go through there too, I'll
Oh.
give you more support. There you go. Good job. Yep, there you go. And then this one goes over there. So they always cross. So this one goes there. Yep, you got it.
You can put both of them in there.
Yeah. See, I do it one at a time. You like to go with one all the way up, and that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this one here, if we cross through that loop, it will give him a little bit more tongue support. So when he's running, his tongue doesn't go
So it
flopping
should
to
look
the
like
side.
this.
Is what now? That's perfect, dude. Good job. Good job. Can you dot both? Can you go through that one there too? So
Oh,
cross that one over to there.
this one over
Good
here.
job, Lily. Yep.
I didn't
so then
even.
this one.
I thought there was
you can
more.
Go from this
but
one
I didn't
over to
see
the other
that.
side
Um,
and do this one right through there. Or even the bottom one too.
I didn't see that.
Yeah. Good job. You guys are doing great.
You go through both. Okay.
Oops. What'd you do? Where'd that one go? Well, you're getting creative over there. So all you gotta do is just loop it around.
Create it. Oh no!
Oh no.
So short.
Oh.
Dang it. Should I untie it?
No. I'll show you an easier way. Watch this. So pull on the longer one. We'll fish it back down. See where it goes next?
Yeah.
Just gotta follow it like a maze. See, it goes down there. And then it goes down there.
Hmm.
And then we'll tighten this side. And we'll tighten that one. And we'll tighten. Oh, sometimes I get confused. There it is. Boom. And then bottoms up. There you go, bud. Is that even? Not even close. Dang.
No, it's fine. I normally have it.
We can straighten it out. It doesn't
No,
take
but it's
much.
fine.
Here, I'll show you.
I
This is
normally
easy.
have it like that.
You like it like that?
Yeah, I normally have it
No.
one long, one more short.
Let's just straighten it out. It's not too far. How'd you do, Lily?
I got it uneven.
That's okay.
A lot uneven.
There's nothing wrong with that. That wasn't too bad. What'd you think?
Yeah.
Don't break it. How about that? Oh, that's so close. I
Just
think that's
keep it.
pretty good.
Just keep it.
You know how to tie a bow? How do you tie a bow? Cross it. There you go.
Even if I can do it.
Yep, you got it. There you go, there. Good job. Oh, you're double knotting it. Okay.
And I was double knot.
All right. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Cool, huh? All right, we'll let them dry. We'll put, here, let's put these things on and let them dry.
Rockies.
Put a little rag in there.
Rockies.
Let them dry out.
Huh.
I'll put that one in the tote and take it out of there. We can let them dry. Good job, baby. Hey. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was alright. Did you have fun?
Mhm.